Here are the answers for the day 2 bell work. Here's an example showing how to convert a measurement 25 milligrams into a measurement that is in grams. Please notice the technique that you're seeing here. The given quantity from the question is written down first, both the number and the label for that measurement. Then there is a multiplication symbol. Then there is a ratio. Observe the fraction bar in the numerator and the denominator. That ratio is called a conversion factor. It shows an equivalency between measurements that have different labels. It is a true fact that 1 gram is equivalent to 1,000 milligrams. When we write the conversion factor between grams and milligrams, it matters which number is put in the numerator and which number goes in the denominator. Whatever you're asked to convert into, in this case grams, goes in the numerator. Whatever you're converting from, in this case milligrams, goes in the denominator. And the reason for that is so that you can use cross-canceling. The label mg and the label mg that is down under the fraction line cancel away. Observe the little orange slash marks. The label that remains is a G for grams. Once the computation is set up in terms of writing the original number at the beginning and then writing multiply and putting the correct ratio so that the units cancel away, then mentally or with a calculator, perform the calculation. This expression states that we go 25 times 1 and then divide by 1,000. That creates the decimal answer 0.025 grams. Notice that the answer also includes a label. So now that we've seen that technique in the example, let's use the technique to do 2 more questions. We want to convert 34 milliliters into liters. So from the example, we begin by writing the given measurement, including its label, milliliters. Write multiply and draw the fraction line. We want to create a conversion factor between milliliters to liters, and it matters what goes on the top and the bottom. We want to change into liters, that goes on top. We want to change from milliliters, that goes on the bottom, so that it can cross-cancel with the previous label milliliters. For the actual numbers in the conversion, you use background knowledge, or you might have to look it up on notes. 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Mentally, or on a calculator, go 34 times 1 and then divide by 1,000. The result is 0.034 liters. Question B, convert 8.5 meters into a measurement in millimeters. So this is, again, a conversion problem. You start by writing the given measurement down. Don't forget its label. Write multiply, draw a fraction line. We're changing into millimeters, that goes on the top. We're changing from meters, that one goes on the bottom, so that it will cross-cancel the previous label M. Now the actual numbers in the conversion are, there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. Mentally, or on a calculator, go 8.5 times 1,000 and then divide by 1. That's 8,500 millimeters. Again, observe the label along with the number. In chemistry class, any measurement must always have a label to explain in what units it has been measured in.